Greetings, this is Chris from Tantalizing Tech. CES 2023 recently completed and Lenovo has unveiled some really exciting and new tech. This particular episode will only focus on the new Lenovo Legion Pro 7 laptop. Please stick around until the end to see if this laptop is tantalizing. But first, hit the subscribe button and leave a comment saying, I subscribed. And I will do my best to personally reply to as many comments as I can. As I mentioned, we will now discuss the Lenovo Legion Pro 7 laptop. In terms of the Lenovo Legion Pro 7 laptop, it only comes in one color, which is Onyx Gray. Furthermore, the Lenovo Legion Pro 7 comes in up to 2 terabytes, which is 1 terabyte on one side and 1 terabyte on the other side, since it has two slots, M.2 PCIe NVMe Generation 4 standard SSD drives. Furthermore, the Lenovo Legion Pro 7 comes in a 16-inch WQXGA 2560 by 1600 IPS 16 by 10 240 Hertz variable rate response, 3 microseconds response time with overdrive, 100% sRGB, 500 nits, and up to VESA display HDR4 certified display. It also supports Dolby Vision support, NVIDIA G-Sync support, AMD FreeSync Premium, TUV Rhineland certified, and it also has the X-Rite Pantone certification. In terms of the Lenovo Legion laptop, this laptop has up to 32 gigabytes, which is two chips of 16 gigabytes, overclocked to 6,000 megahertz, LPDDR5 memory. In addition, the Lenovo Legion Pro 7 comes with two graphics card options. The first one is NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 with 16 gigabytes of graphic memory, which is DDR6. Another option is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 with 12 gigabytes of memory and is GDR6. And these particular cards from NVIDIA, which is the 4090 and that 4080, are some of the fastest graphics cards that you could find in laptops today. Furthermore, the Lenovo Legion Pro 7 comes with a battery option that lasts for up to 12 hours, and it's a 99.99 watt hour battery. In addition, this battery supports rapid charge. In terms of the Lenovo Legion Pro 7, this laptop weighs in at 6.2 pounds or 2.8 kilograms. So it's not the lightest laptop, but I mean, you're pretty much going to be doing graphic design or maybe gaming on this laptop. In terms of the Lenovo Legion Pro 7, on the right-hand side, we could see a variety of ports. And in addition, we have the rear of the laptop that has ports that I'll describe to you. If you see the vents in the back and on the right-hand side, those are all fan vents because this is a high-performance laptop, used for like graphic design or gaming or whatever you could think of in terms of high-performance applications. But starting on the right-hand side, and we like to go left to right, we have an audio, which is a headphone and microphone combo jack. In addition, we have a USB Type A 3.2 port Gen 1 and what's called an e-shutter button. Furthermore, on the rear of the laptop, we have a DC power in port. We also have a USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 2 port. We have a USB Type A 3.2 port Gen 1, which is always on. We also have a USB Type A 3.2 port Gen 1. We have an HDMI version 2.1 port, and we also have the RJ45 for network direct connectivity port. On this particular slide, we have the Lenovo Legion Pro 7 with Wi-Fi 6E, 802.11ax, and a 2x2 array with a MIMO configuration. Furthermore, we have with the Lenovo Legion Pro 7 Bluetooth starting at 5.1 version. In addition, we have the Lenovo Legion Pro 7 with AMD Ryzen 9 7945HX processor, which is the top of the line for like the AMD line of processors. Furthermore, we also have on the left-hand side here, and one good thing about this picture is you can see the RGB backlit display. Um, but getting back to the left side and the ports on the left side, we have a USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 2 port and also a USB Type-A 3.2 port Gen 1 port. On the right-hand side here, we have the audio, which is a headphone and microphone combo jack, a USB Type-A 3.2 port Gen 1 port, and also the e-shutter button. Here we have the back of the laptop, actually the back side of the laptop, the bottom of the laptop, and we can see the various vents that we have for heating and cooling. Furthermore, this laptop also includes vapor chamber cooling. In addition, this Lenovo Legion Pro 7 web laptop includes a 1080p camera with e-shutter and Tobii Horizon support. In addition, you could get a 720p camera option with e-shutter and Tobii Horizon support. Is that we really want to ask, is this laptop with all the ports and fan vents and everything tantalizing? And before we decide if the Lenovo Legion Pro 7 is tantalizing, I wanted to remind you to subscribe if you feel that this video is tantalizing. Leave a comment saying, I subscribed. And I will do my best to personally reply to as many comments as I can. And now, the decision as to whether the Lenovo Legion Pro 7 is tantalizing. Can I have the ballot, please? Thank you. And the verdict is in. This laptop is tantalizing. In the next couple of tables, I'll detail as to why I think this laptop is tantalizing. In terms of the tantalizing features, I've listed the tantalizing features on the left column. I put the monotonous features in the center column and the unalluring features in the right-hand column. In terms of the video, please pause if you want to review the monotonous and unalluring features of the laptop. In terms of the tantalizing features, though, the laptop comes with the AMD Ryzen 9 7945HS processor, which is one of the fastest AMD processors out there. In addition, it comes with a 1080p camera with e-shutter and Tobii Horizon support. Furthermore, this laptop also comes with a 99.99 watt-hour battery and is supposed to be rated at 12 hours. And it also supports rapid charge. Furthermore, this laptop uses up to 32 gigabytes with two sticks of 16 gigabytes, which is overclocked to 6,000 megahertz LPDDR5 memory. So it's some of the fastest memory that you could find out there. In terms of other tantalizing features, this laptop has a 16-inch WQXGA 2560 by 1600 IPS display and a 16 by 10 ratio with 240 variable rate hertz speed. It has 3 megaseconds of response time with overdrive, 100% sRGB, 500 nits, up to VESA Display HDR4 certification. It has Dolby Vision support. It also has NVIDIA G-Sync support. It also includes AMD FreeSync Premium, TUV Rhineland certification, and X-Rite Pantone certification. Furthermore, the laptop has two 2-watt Harman super linear speaker system with smart amp with dynamic audio. Also, this laptop has Wi-Fi 6E, which is 802.11ax in a 2x2 array MIMO, and this is some of the fastest Wi-Fi that you could get out there. Furthermore, this laptop also includes the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 with 16 gigabytes of GDDR6 memory. Also, you have an option to get an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 with 12 gigabytes of GDDR6 memory. So some of the fastest memory, some of the fastest Wi-Fi, and some of the most responsive displays out there, with the display going at 240 hertz in variable rate. And as I mentioned, you can pause the video to look at some of the monotonous and unalluring features. Other tantalizing features for this laptop include HDMI v2.1 port, which is some of the fastest HDMI that you can have out there for like 8K video. In addition, it has audio with headphone and microphone combination jack. Furthermore, it includes a power adapter that could handle all of the power to the laptop with a 330 watt slim gallium GAN adapter or a 330 watt slim adapter, or you could choose a 140 watt slim adapter with Type C power delivery. And as I mentioned, you can look at the monotonous features and the unalluring features by pausing the video. Other tantalizing features include up to 2 terabytes with two different slots, 1 terabyte and another terabyte of M.2 PCIe NVMe Gen 4 SSD drives. You could also have a per key RGB keyboard with 100% anti-ghosting. In addition, this laptop includes an LA2Q AI chip for artificial intelligence. It also has vapor chamber cooling, and you could also choose whether to have Windows 11 Pro or Windows 11 Home. In terms of the monotonous and unalluring features, again, I invite you to pause the video so you can review those features. So again, I want to thank you for watching Tantalizing Tech. Today we received notification that we have another tantalizing laptop out there, the Lenovo Legion Pro. And I also wanted to remind you to subscribe if you feel that this video is tantalizing. Leave a comment saying I subscribed, and I'll do my best to personally reply to as many comments as I can. Wow, now that was tantalizing.